You can add transactions to a project in QuickBooks Online Plus or higher to record the associated income or expenses with the project. You can add new transactions directly from the project, or you can classify existing transactions as needed. However, you should add estimates from which to invoice the customer to the project before creating the invoice or invoices from them. It is also recommended to add invoices to projects before receiving payment on them to prevent reassociating the payment with the invoice, as any existing payment is removed when an invoice is added to a project, which just makes extra work. To create a new transaction from within a project, open its Project Details page by clicking its entry within the Projects page. Then, click the Add to Project drop-down button in the upper right corner of the Project Details page. Then, select the type of new transaction to add from the drop-down menu to open its associated window. Then enter the details of the transaction as usual. When making selections in this window, the Customer field or Customer Project field should already contain the information from the associated project to help you easily classify it. Make sure this information is accurately entered, and then save the transaction as usual. Alternatively, to classify existing transactions or new transactions you create through other means to an existing project, simply select the name of the project from the Customer or Customer/Project field when editing or entering the transaction's data. Then make sure to save your changes. As noted earlier, you can add existing estimates to a project if you haven't converted them to an invoice yet. Additionally, if you add a paid invoice to a project, it disconnects the payment from the invoice, forcing you to reconnect them. So it's better to add invoices to a project before receiving payment. It's also recommended to not add invoices linked to more than one other transaction, billable expenses, or timesheets. If you add a linked invoice to a project, only the invoice is added. You must then add the linked transactions to the project and reconnect them to the invoice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.